Hello friends, welcome to Santripti Kitchen. Today we have come up with a new traditional dish which is called as radish masala raita, and this is called as Jaj Mulangi Goju in Kannada. This is a South Indian recipe which is very old recipe. This has been taught to us by our grandmother. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I request you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We will see what and all the ingredients required to prepare this radish masala raita. Here I have taken 1 cup of curd and little bit jeera, which is 1 spoon of jeera I have taken here, a little bit of curry leaves and 3 to 4 garlic I have taken, and chopped radish I have taken, which have been chopped in this fashion. This is very important. It has to be chopped in like this only. Little bit of coriander leaves I have taken, 2 chopped green chilies I have taken, and chopped 1 onion I have taken here. Okay, we will start the procedure now. First we have to take this radish, which has to be crushed like this, which is very important step in this. This has to be crushed like this. I am showing you once again how it has to be crushed. Yeah, you can see this has to be crushed like this. This is very important, then only masala it can be absorbed. Okay, you see this has to be like this. See, I have crushed all the radish like this. Now you take all this radish. We have to add little bit of salt, 1 or 2 spoons of salts, and 1 spoon of haldi or turmeric we have to add, because this will have a bad odor or maybe a strong odor which will be there. Certain people don't like this radish odor. So we have to add salt and turmeric, and we have to rest it for half an hour. I am mixing this both. See, we have to mix this and we have to leave it for at least for half an hour time. By the time we will prepare masala for this, take this coriander leaves and green chili and the jeera and the garlic which I have taken. So you can take 3 to 4 or 5 6 garlic also, no issues, and we will make a paste of it. Okay, I'll mix it. See, look at the paste. Okay, this is ready. Now add this masala paste to salted radish. See, yeah, mix it well. It has to be mixed well such that this radish will absorb all the masala taste also. Yeah, by that time we will make a tadka. I have taken a 2 spoon oil here, so any cooking oil will do, and add all chopped onions and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I am frying it. Now add the curry leaves and again fry it for some time. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, now we add this radish which is already absorbed salt and masala. Again we have to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Need not to be fried too much, and we will cook it for 3 to 5 minutes time. Yeah, it is cooked well. You can see, yeah, it is very crunchy also. It should not be cooked too much, then it will not be a good taste. Yeah, it is fine now. Yeah, this raita can be used with rice or it can be used with chapati, puri. It is very good taste which will go with all. Okay, now I have taken in a small bowl, mixing bowl, all this raita, cooked raita, and I am adding curd or yogurt here. Yeah, if you want little bit salt, you can add the salt also here, but here I already added the salt. I am not adding salt here. Yeah, now mix it well. Wow, it has got a nice color also. You can see it's very tasty also. I feel it requires little bit salt. I am adding a bit of salt here. Lot of people don't like radish because of its smell and its odor also. Yeah, now this tasty radish masala raita which is ready to serve. You can serve this with rice, roti or chapati. And I request you all, please share with your family and friends if you like our video. Thank you for watching.